It's Books by Tamia, and I am doing an unboxing of my Owlcrate for the month of July. So this is the box, and I have not opened it yet. Let me just open it. And so they have this little card. This card has this thing, it's tournaments and trials, and it's about spoiler warning. So I'm gonna read that not now. And then we open it up, it looks like that. So it has a little paper like things. Okay, and this, they have this little cute nice pen. It's monthly enable pen collection. Has, looks like that. You can see it. Yeah, looks like that. Then they have this thing, and it says Owlcrate, and it has a puzzle. I don't know if I'm gonna do this because I don't have space in my room where I can if I want to keep it, unless I just do it together, unless I put it together and then put it back in the little thing. So the little drawstring, it'll be that's nice. Then they have this thing called Element Games. It's, Element Games, and it's inspired by A Gatherers of Shadow by V.E. Shawa. I never read that book, but it sounds interesting. It looks pretty cool. Like stuff. Let's bring her up. Ooh, that is so pretty. How cute these Joker cards are. Okay. Oh, that's so nice. Look. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Okay. So they have like different people on here. Like, hold on. So what's this? Have this person, I don't know who that is, but they have like different, let's see here, there's like different people on here, so that's pretty neat. I have some more people, so yeah, that's amazing. That's so nice. So we have this lanyard. I might put my keys on here actually. It says bravery hides in many places. You can see. Oh, can't. Okay, see? It says bravery hides in many places. Yeah. And it has like mini cactuses on there. This coin purse, and it says, "Make the odds be ever in your favor." So yeah, Hunger Games, and then they have this little arrows on the back, and it's like a little coin purse. Has, you can open her up. And it's like yellow inside, which is nice. Then I see a cup. Let's see. I'm just gonna reach down. Okay. So this is Owlcrate. Then On the back it says, what's so fun without a bit of risk? Try your luck at the Wizard Tournament. Start the day by slipping your favorite beverage in your mug to help you prepare for the challenging task ahead. Which house will you come out on top? Song of Love by artist Cara. So, and it's also dishwasher and microwave safe. So, okay, so open her up. Also, it's like stuff you want to see on the side. So, yeah. Okay, opening it up. So, pull her out on this. Ooh, what do I get? Okay, so I have this Harry Potter mug and it's him. This is so ridiculous. So I have this Harry Potter mug that they said and it's Harry, a dragon, Harry Potter here, and then when you like turn around, I think this is the school. And then once you like keep turning it, it's like them cheering on, like cheering and stuff. So in the maze, yeah, that's pretty nice. I'm going to set this because I think I want to start having the little Harry Potter thing. So I'm gonna put this right next to the Harry Potter. I only have 3 right here. Because I have not read the Harry Potter, but I love the movies. So it says people see what they wish to see. And it's this. Looks nice. And I don't know where I want to put that. I'll put that right there for now. And then, oh, this is cute. It's a captivating young adult fantasy. Do it where magic has a price on it. If you're willing to pay, on sale. September 3rd, the 19th. Visit in the Kingdom of Souls to get your exclusive content. Ooh, so new book coming soon. September 3rd, 2019. My birthday is so close to there. And then here's the book. Ooh, Spin of Dawn. Of my unboxing my Owlcrate. And thank you for watching. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Also hit that bell so you know when I post. And that has been it. Bye guys.